don't like it wet.
Adventurers Jami, Desiree, Jeremy, and Jonice. Today's event, the woods behind Desiree's house.
Don't say what it's at.
I mean, behind none of your business.
We have to cross a little stream of mud.
Yeah, this is very highly dangerous. There are snakes back here, and I don't want to die. Oh, our first trouble. Large trees. I'll cut it. Or Des will hold it up with her hand.
Go! Or feel like jumping all around.
We could have did that, but he's not adventurous like us. Ah, my shoe got stuck in mud.
Jeremy, you're supposed to stick with the squad.
Yeah, this is very muddy over here.
It's not muddy over here.
Over here's extremely muddy.
It's okay if it's muddy. It's supposed to be like, we're on an adventure.
Okay, I'm wearing my Jordans.
Should have worn different shoes. Ow! Dude, it sounds weird.
What a sound of adventure.
The sound of adventure. Adventure doesn't have sound.
Yes, it does.
Stop him, squirt you.
Whoa.
Go!
Okay, we're heading this way. I don't know what direction it is. I'm just going to say it's north. South then.
There are snakes.
Over here's a good patch of grass that we won't get stuck on. Look at the nature around us.
Can you just shut up and walk?
Okay.
Keep an eye out for, wild animals.
Deer, snakes, Jonies. Oh, hey! There's a lot of things that we can trip and die on, so let's not do that. Don't push!
Why take the most difficult way, Tony?
Because so I see more adventurous. Shut up. We're all following him.
I was the leader, but then... Oh my god, Jim, you're going through the smallest things.
Okay. Coming to another patch of clean grass. Probably.
Guys, are you watching how we came in?
Where's
Oh.
the way to go?
Oh, just look at the big house back there. You can kind of see it from here.
We should look trail mark.
Our feet print. One of us has been injured. I have Band-Aids. Safety bag.
He's fine.
Oh, Jeremy, why do you kill our fun? Ow. Oh, spider web!
That's what you get for trying to trail off.
Fine, I'm going this way. How'd you get through here?